Let me introduce myself to you all. I'm Shivali Jain. I'm the co-founder of Global Edge. We are education consultants with an experience of more than 11 years. My team has counseled more than 57,000 students till now, and we are helping students in more than 21 countries, okay, for gaining admission and study abroad options. Now, the uniqueness is that we represent all Irish universities, institutes, and colleges. We are authorized representatives, and we work directly with them. Points to remember, something that we need to take back, something that we need to remember always. So Ireland is accepting 3 years of UG programs for master's degree. Um, there is no this requirement for 4 years for the master's program. They offer LLB, LLM programs, which are approved by the Indian Bar Council. It also has a lot of medical programs, clinical and non-clinical. So Ireland also is taking mature students, people who have, a long gap from their degree until now they want to go for masters. So, they need to have proper documents and work experience letter. They don't have a problem in giving you admission and visa, provided the course that you want to study relates to your future career goal. And the visa officers don't have a problem, provided you show them the proper experience or the document proof. Suppose you have graduated 8, 10, 12, 15 years ago also, it's okay. There is no problem. This is really unlike other countries where they have a cap on these, issues of last education and stuff like that. Spouse visa is not preferred in Ireland. So if you guys want to take your spouse along with you, I will not say Ireland is the right destination, because you can go and your spouse can join you later. That's okay. But along with your visa file, I don't advise you to apply your spouse visa. There are major chances of rejection in that case. Ranking of your previous university matters. So, sometimes we've seen students with very great marks not getting admission. The review of the university always has been that the university ranking was not so good. They go on the Nooser guide and they go and look into the university from where you're coming. So please, just not marks, but your university matters. Okay. These are the courses: data science, business analytics, AI, artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, and all computing programs. They're very competitive. Like even Ms. Alanjana had said that they don't even take students without IELTS for these programs for the School of Computing. So please have a very, proper documentation, all your documents in time, and you can start with the application. For September 21, by September, everything should be ready with you all for these programs specially. Ireland visa can be applied 3 to 4 months in advance. So, and it takes 4 to 6 weeks. So please time yourself well, plan yourself well. Giving you these dates just makes it easier for you all to know how much time every process takes. The offer letters also sometimes take, between 4 to 8 weeks for any given university. So 2 months time, that is, after application. So suppose you apply in September. So actually by December, you hear about those universities back, okay? If the student has done masters in India, they can go for another masters. Again, this point why I'm clearing is because we have a lot of students who have done masters in India, have worked for a few, years in India, and now want to recap their academics. They want to review their options. They want to again attain some knowledge, skill set, and then, accelerate their careers. So Ireland has no issue as long as your masters in India was different and you worked, and now you need to do another master's. Maybe it can be a different program, different specialization, or you can even explain them well that the studies that you're going for, you really don't know much about it and you need to do it. So doubling your master's is no issue. Okay. So a lot of students who've done masters in India feel now the next step is only PhD or MBA because they're already a master's. That's not true for Ireland. You guys can do 2 masters. Even if you've done 2 in India, you can go for a 3rd master in Ireland. Absolutely no problem. Okay. Conversion programs are allowed in Ireland. I explained this earlier also. So this is a point which is very, very beneficial to my students who are, looking to change their streams or who want to have extra knowledge of some other stream and integrate it with their current stream and put it together and look for a unique skill set and look for jobs likewise. So we have a majority of, a lot of students who are wanting to approach the IT fields because of the job employabilities and also the advancement of technologies. Also, there are some electronic students or other engineering fields who want to attain biotech or get into some integrated programs. So there are lots and lots of options, combinations, conversions which can be given to them. So you can call on my landline. It is 48475000. My office is in Green Park. We have an office, and this is the email ID, counseling@globaledge.net.in. If you want to send your documents in there, we can assess them and come back to you. We help in all these things, that is counseling, shortlisting, applications, admissions, LOR, SOP assistance, and visa file preparation. So I hope to get back to you also.